Saturday night. It's midnight. I just finished feeding the baby, and I'm in the mood to do my hair. So I know I'm probably not going to finish it tonight, but um, yeah, I think I need to address this shirt. I have a bunch of these shirts, so I haven't been wearing the same shirt for like 3 or 4 days. I have a bunch of these shirts and I wash them often, so it's like a comfy house shirt for me. Anyways, you saw this braid pattern yesterday. I was supposed to do my hair yesterday, didn't feel like it. So it's straight back braids. I hope you got a good look at that. And I'm gonna do crochet. So this is the Zury One Pack is Enough, the V8, 9, 10 rod set in color 2730, Sombre 2730. So yeah, I have that. I have my crochet needle. Let's get started. So today's Monday, after work. and I just wasn't feeling the hair. So I got myself some new hair, and I just took out the old hair and I made two huge boo-boos. I cut my hair here and I cut my hair here. So I'm like a little pissed off at myself because wow, like my hair's growing so good. I can't believe this. Anyways, can't cry over spilled milk. I'm going to be installing this hair tonight. I got the Afri Naptural Waterfall curl. I got 4 packs of 1B27 and 3 packs of 1B30. So I've worn this before and I really like the hair. And I think I'm gonna enjoy this a little more. It's longer, it's not as like floofy. So yeah. 7 packs, but I'll probably use 5 or 6. Most likely 5. You just can never be too careful. All right. So as I mentioned before, I was wearing the Zury V8 910 1 pack is enough in rod set color 2733 or 2730. And typically I like that hair. I've worn it twice before in that same color, and I've also worn it in black and I liked it, but this time around it wasn't doing it for me. I have never before ever used the entire pack, and in this install I used the entire pack and it was just too much hair. It was too floofy. It just wasn't working for me. So I went to the hair store and I bought this Afri Naptural Waterfall curl, which I've also worn it before in these same 2 colors and thoroughly enjoyed it. And so now I'm installing it. The install took me like 3.5 hours. This hair is like really slippery. It's really like soft. So it takes a lot to get like all the invisible parting done. And I did 2 different methods. Like I did the regular method where you pull 1 strand of the hair through the loop a few times and then the other strand covers. And then I also did the one where you pull the hair through the front of the braid and then loop it a couple times towards the back. I like both methods. They both work for me and they help to create a really pretty illusion. So now I wish I would have used my shears instead of these scissors, because you know these like little craft scissors just don't give you the same as good a cut as good shears that any cosmetologist or hairstylist should be using. So I did go a little scissor happy here and I cut it like a little bit more than I wanted to, but I still ended up with a look that I really love. I don't like super long hair, so I took what is apparently 18 inches and made it into more of like I guess a 16, maybe a 14, with lots of beautiful layers. I'm a layer type of girl. I need me some layers in my life. And there I was just showing you my invisible parting skills. Yeah, so I've been wearing this a couple days and I absolutely love the hair. It gets better over time as, the curls kind of like, come together and, clump up a little bit to make it like more natural looking. But yeah, I am thoroughly enjoying this hair. Thoroughly.